Hello folks and welcome to mattsforecast.org. I'm here to predict the winter of 2011 and 2012 with precipitation and temperature anomalies. And I'm going to be checking these out and showing you guys what's going to happen this winter. So as you can see, the areas in the red are areas above normal temperatures and the areas in the blue are below normal temperatures. So I'm going to highlight the areas with above normal temperatures and we'll talk about exactly where they are and if they're going to affect you this winter. So it's going to be more of a La Nina pattern. We're going to see that strengthening as we begin our winter. But as you can see in the red area are the areas that are going to be above normal temperatures and above normal. So I'm going to use some of these anomalies and some past observations and forecasts that we've had within November to make a base prediction for winter of 2011 to 2012. So as you can see right now in the red area we do have above normal temperatures, and we're looking at above normal temperatures through portions of Texas, Oklahoma, and into Kansas. And then as we go into Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, into Georgia, all the way up north into the Tennessee Valley and as far north as the southern Ohio Valley and into the Carolinas and northern Virginia. I'd say way above normal temperatures. And this area, the area that has the slash going right through it, down in this area in the deep south, we're looking at southeastern southern Texas, and as you head into Louisiana and Mississippi, those are the areas that are going to have the most above average temperatures. And now we're going to go for average. Which states are going to get some average temperatures? Okay, anywhere in the red area is where you're going to get mostly average temperatures this winter. Okay, you guys, and this area is average temperatures. Anywhere from average as you go to the southern part of this line, or in the southern part of this little boxed area, slightly above average, and if you go to the severe northern part of this boxed area, maybe a little below average, depends on where you go. So we're looking at most of the country to be in this area. Central of the country, I should say, from anywhere from New England to Mid-Atlantic and into the Ohio Valley, and then into portions of Indiana, Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and into Iowa, Nebraska, and into the Rocky Mountains. Expecting this to happen. And now below average temperatures. Yes, we're looking at below average temperatures within the area here in the red. And I'm going to highlight this for you. Here we go. Areas in this section provided are areas that are going to get below average temperatures. We're working on temperatures right now, excuse me, not precipitation. And then we're looking at areas in this slash, areas that have even colder temperatures. And then as you head into this area with the lines are the most below average temperatures that are going to be, we're looking at temperatures, I'm talking a degree and a half to 2.5 degrees below normal. And I'm talking about down south in Texas and portions of Louisiana. I'm talking a degree and a half or 2.5 degrees above normal. So it's going to be pretty different than than 2 years ago. I think in El Nino winter was pretty different. Now we're going to go on to precipitation, and you guys are going to find this pretty cool. This is where I'm going to start making my prediction. So as you can see, anywhere in this sort of gray to brown area, we're looking at drier conditions than normal. As you saw in portions of Texas, there was high above a degree and a half, 2 degrees above normal, which is very bad. Considering now that we have this little area of drier air, so that means we're looking at portions of the deep south to be a lot drier and warmer, so less precip, which hence the reason why we're going to continue this drought for most portions of the southern United States. And then as you head north into portions of the central United States, we begin to see some average precipitation coming along on through. So areas in the box that I have shaded are areas that are expecting average precipitation. It's a very thin area, you guys, so you have to watch closely. Okay, here are the areas that are expecting average precipitation as we go on anywhere through Southern California to Southern Nevada and into the Rocky Mountains. We're looking at portions of northern Kansas into Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and then all the way down through portions of northern Alabama and northern Mississippi and into eastern Arkansas, and then to portions of western South Carolina, western North Carolina, and central Virginia. So Charlotte, North Carolina, looking at average precipitation this winter to a little above average possible. And then we're looking at anywhere from Baltimore southeastward through portions of the eastern shore and New England, looking at average precipitation then in a normal winter. And now we're going to look at above average precipitation, which could be snow. Okay. In these areas that I'm highlighting now, we're looking at above average precipitation. Here we go. In these areas, we're looking at above average precipitation, and as you can see, Baltimore west, northwest is included, so slightly above average snow this winter, a little above average. And then if the temperatures go down enough into portions of Kentucky and into Tennessee, expecting some pretty nice snowfall amounts, pretty nice snow and rain amounts. So if it's cold enough, there's going to be a pretty nice amount of snow here this year, and if it's warm enough, a pretty nice amount of rain in these areas that I just highlighted. Yeah, same with up here in the northwestern United States and the portions of just west of the Rockies and into Washington and Oregon, saying Seattle, more rain, a lot of rain. And as you head into the Cascades, yes, snow. That's what we're going to be getting. A lot colder than average, so that's what I think. I'll give you guys the heads up, and the map will be on around 5 o'clock about what I think this winter, or maybe even earlier. Comment, rate, and subscribe to this channel, and please, please, I beg of you, like or comment on this video with any questions, and I will return your comments as soon as I get a chance. Thank you guys. Have a good day.